Welcome to my YouTube channel of New Tech World. Today we are talking about operating systems of OnePlus Watch. Before going to the video, I have a small request to make of you. If you have not subscribed yet my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the bell button next to it. OnePlus reported to skip Wear operating systems for its watch. The OnePlus Watch has been in the news a lot lately. Thanks to leaks, there is a lot we already know about the watch, such as its design and the fact that it will have a CyberPunk 2077 limited edition. One question that has been on our minds is the operating system that will power the OnePlus Watch. While that question still remains unanswered, we now know what operating system will not be powering it. According to Max Jamber, the German blogger and leaker, the OnePlus Watch doesn't run Google's Wear OS designed for wearables. Depending on how you feel about Wear OS, this is either good news or bad news. Nevertheless, we are not too surprised, as a lot of manufacturers, especially those based in China, are launching their smartwatches with proprietary operating systems that they can have better control over. Manufacturers skipping Wear OS is also expected based on how the operating system is being handled by Google. It is safe to say that OnePlus will also follow a similar path and launch its smartwatch with its own proprietary operating system. However, we won't bank on it having support for apps to be installed onto the watch. There is still no info regarding when the OnePlus Watch will launch by Max Jamber does confirm it will be released, he just doesn't know when it will be. Our guess is that the watch will be announced alongside the OnePlus 9 series, which is expected to arrive in just a few months. Excerpt from the internet. Thank you for watching the video. If you have not subscribed yet my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the bell button next to it. If you do, you can get a notification as soon we post new video. If you found this video valuable, please share it with your friends and social media. So we will keep going until we get a new video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.